Hello, this is Dr. Sivakant Pathak once more with you to see one more important topic in the physics. We are in chapter Uniform Circular Motion. See the name of a chapter very carefully. In this, we are going to see the examples of some uniform circular motion in case of centripetal force. So, motion of a cyclist we are taking as example number 1. To here, let a cycle rider moving with velocity v turns on a curved road and leans towards center of curved path. See how this dynamics played. A lot of ways are explained in a lot of books. But this topic is always confusing. Why always confusion is there? So remove these confusions. Let's see very carefully to understand why a cycle rider leans towards the center when it is passes through a curved path to keep his balance. Let's see very carefully here in the case. Let it is origin, x-axis, y-axis. I am considering a position of cycle rider by a straight line in which let it is wheel of cycle. Cycle plus cycle rider's position we are here representing by this straight line. In this straight line, let the center of gravity of this is here. Cycle plus cycle rider. This CG is here. At the center, let W denotes weight of cycle plus rider, both. And according to this law, the weight always acting downward here in the case. We are knowing, let this is the normal acting here, this reaction force acting in this side due to the weight of it. See here in this case, reaction and weight not are just opposite to each other. So let us see here a diagram here in which a cycle rider here on road and their center is in this side. Let us divide the projection of this reaction in two parts. One here. Let this angle is theta, these two parallel line, here see straight line, corresponding angle theta. Theta is leaning angle. So this here theta, this projection is r cos theta, balances the weight. We may write r cos theta is equal to weight is equal to mg. Write as a equation number 1 here in the case. Now see its second projection here in the side towards the side direction of a center of the curved road in which it is bent, curved. So here this projection is r sin theta. Here r sin theta provides required centripetal force F. Required centripetal force F, and this is equal to mv square by r. Now divide equation 2 by 1 here. So this is tan theta is equal to v square by rg. See the balance equation we are getting in every derivations where we are using it. So centripetal force which is obtained by the projection of this is tan theta is equal to v by square by rg. Here see carefully, leaning angle depends on first velocity of cycle rider, second radius of curved road, and g acceleration due to gravity. See here in this case, once road is made, the radius is constant and acceleration due to constant is here. So tangent theta is directly proportional to the square of velocity. So max, if you want to pass with safe journey with high velocity, then in leaning angle must be more. So this implies that for safe pass without unbalancing, unbalancing more velocity implies that more leaning angle. See carefully here in the case. That is why to balance all these forces, a cycle rider leans towards the center in a chord path. See here, with some angle. If angle is more, it can pass with high velocity, more velocity. So maximum velocity through which its path, it depends upon its leaning angle. Now see, a cycle rider leans. The cycle rider can be considered as a one-dimensional system. Cycle rider can leans also, and to leaning angle, to balance this, the obtained formula tan theta is equal to v square by rg. But see, four-wheeler like car, truck, railway cannot lean towards the center. So there is a remedy of it. This remedy we are going to take in the solutions we are going to see in the second example here. That second example in which the road are made banked on the turnings. either railway track or road is designed for four-wheeler which banked at turnings. There is a two line on railway track. One line is little below towards the another line, and this below line is in the direction of towards a turning, towards the center of that. See here a diagram. Let here is a turning of a road or a railway track. See very carefully here in the direction. A two-dimensional system consider. Origin X, Y. This railway track, let our road, their center is considered this side. Here in the case, now see very carefully here in this, and let by this road system leaning by the road is by this angle it is represented. Leaning of the track from one to another road. This diagram is actually on the road. When we made on a track, it is from here to here. Leaning angle is let theta. Let a car is here on this. With this leaning road, the car already bends. See how forces its balance. Let here a center of gravity of a car system in which its weight, we know always acting downward. Reaction force always acts towards normal. Let us divide the projection of it. This is one projection of this is or cos theta balances mg, and see here the another projection of this reaction R is here. R sin theta provides centripetal force to revolve in a circular path. So see the balancing of force. Balancing of force very carefully. R cos theta, reaction force R cos theta balances weight of four-wheeler, bus, truck, car or railway on the railway track. It is equal to mg. And another projection of the reaction force, that is R sin theta. This is provides required centripetal force mv square by r. So again the same situation, divide equation 2 by equation 1, that is tan theta is equal to v square by rg. See very carefully here in the diagram. Banking, sloping road down towards the center. The angle which is made is a constant. Here in this case, here in the case of a cycle rider, neither theta is constant nor velocity. So velocity theta is adjusted by the velocity. More velocity, more angle. Less velocity, less angle. But see here in this case, theta is constant. In this example, leaning and theta is a constant, R is constant, G is constant. So this implies that V is also constant. So velocity cannot be more than this value. See very carefully. So situation should be arranged this tan theta. So we can write v square by rg. Velocity must be, it always either equal or less than tangent of sloping angle. Either equal or less than tangent of theta. So maximum velocity. So remember, this is a condition. So wherever you see where turning is given, their maximum speed is shown. At any turning, wherever it is, there is one board to be aware of the four-wheeler rider that you cannot pass a turn by this maximum speed, because theta is their constant. Already road is built up, their leading is built up, so that cannot be changed. Once road is set up, radius cannot be changed. Acceleration due to gravity is almost constant. So velocity maximum through which you can pass with a minimum radius possible in that case, so you can little change in the radius so that it is the velocity can be decided. That is why a railway or road tracks are banked at turnings. This is the reason. To pass for safe drive without unbalancing. These are the example here for the uniform circular motion under centripetal force. These topics are very confusing to the students always. Once you see the problem in it, please rewind the video and see what are the explanations are given. I used to give the explanation with the working. My explanation is with the written things here. You can go forward and backward of the video by rewinding fast forward and fast backward, slow forward and slow this, can see easily the topic. These topics are very important when you are solving the numerical in exam like IIT and medicals. So see carefully. We will meet again also. Thank you for today and